Hello everyone, my name is Zenia. Welcome to Zeniology. Today we are going to open this activity box. This box is from Smartokids and this is age 4 to 6 and that's my age. It has 11 activities combo box. So on the side you can see these things. I don't know these how to read, but I'm going to read these. There's 7 activities, 1 storybook. Let's open this, and my mama is going to help me open this. So let's open. It says here, every child is born smart. So we are going to open this tape and then let's see what's inside of this activity box. Okay, so we need scissors for this. Oh, you need the handy down. Now we just open the tape. Flip it over. Flip it. Woo! Cardboard. What? Here are some instructions I see. What are these? Oh, these are some. What is this even? I don't know what this is. These are some activity sheets. Spot the difference. Color in the color numbers. So this is the first activity. It says my plant. So let's see what's inside. Oh, here are some instructions. This is instructions. So I think this is for growing a plant. So let's see what's inside of here. So first we have is a bucket. Ooh. This is a wheat seed and these are ladyfinger seeds and a blue cup to put some water and some dirt in it. Soil. Next is this sprayer thing. I think I'm supposed to put water in this. We got some cocoa peat. This is some cocoa peat. This is like a fork thingy. I think I'm supposed to mix this. Now I'm going to keep this back. Now let's see the next activity. Okay, the next activity is called fingerprint. So first we got some book. Oh, this is an activity book too. This is a finger painting story. So I think I'm supposed to get some paint. I think there's paint in here. And put your thumb on the sheet and then the paint will go on it. So let's see what else is in here. Ooh, more instructions, but we don't need it because we just saw what we are supposed to do. And we have some paint. We have nothing else in here. We have a mat in this so we don't make a mess in the house. Now let's open the third activity. Jungle picnic, it says here. So we have a pad, I guess. What is this? Oh no, this is not a pad. This is a book, I guess. This is Pick Any Animal. It is a board game. head or tail. It says here, pick any animal head or tail. Flashcard, puzzle card, a dice and some thingies in there, coins in there. So let's put this back and get to the fourth activity. Yeah, so this is the fourth activity and it says Matchomania. Oh, we have a book. Wait, no, these are sheets. Okay. So we have some colors on this sheet, two sides of colors, and some games here. Oh, these are upside down. Some games. These are sports. The other side has some planting. So this is like match the following. So fun to play. There's more cards of them. Now let's open the fifth activity. It says cube puzzle. La, 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 la. Okay, open one side and the other side needs to be open. Got it. Got both sides. Okay. Oh, these are cardboard boxes. So you're supposed to attach the body with it. So you have to make the cube and then you will make the puzzle. This is the sixth bag and it says here Tangram. There's these kind of shapes, so you have to use these puzzle cubes to make some shapes. This is the seventh activity. It says let's be healthy. Now let's open this up. So first we have some colorful stars. Second we have some fruits, veggies and other kinds of healthy foods. What's this? Ooh, healthy habit tracker. Now we have the last thing is a storybook. There's lots of activities in here and if you want to get this box, I'll put it in my description. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and share.